Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use project status updates in Asana, the complete 2025 guide. First things first, log into your Asana account and navigate to the project you're managing. Now that we've done that, locate the Progress tab at the top of your project page. This tab is designed to provide a snapshot of your project's health, making it easier for you to manage and monitor progress. Next up, click on the Update Status button. This is where you input the current status of your project. The reason we do this is to keep all project members informed and up to date, reducing the need for constant, time-consuming meetings. Now you'll see three color-coded options: green for on track, yellow for at risk, and red for off track. Choose the one that best represents your project's current status. Let me explain why this matters. Using color coding simplifies the understanding of project health, allowing team members to easily see if things are going smoothly or if there are issues that need attention. After you've selected a color, it's time to write a brief summary. This should include what's been accomplished, what's next, and any obstacles your project is facing. This helps us because it provides context to the status color, offering a more in-depth look at the current project situation. Finally, click Post Update. Your update will be visible to all project members, keeping everyone in the loop. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. An email notification will also be sent out, ensuring everyone is aware of the project's status, even if they don't log into Asana regularly. And there you have it. You've now updated your project status in Asana like a pro, helping enhance transparency and communication within your team. Remember, regular status updates are key to successful project management, so keep your team informed, stay on track, and let Asana do the heavy lifting for you. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy project managing.